Ram Navami, the festival of birth of Lord Ram. Ram Navami is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Lord Ram. Ram Navami is the festival of great importance for the people of Hindu religion. Celebrating the festival of Ram Navami on the 9th day of Chaitra month indicates the removal of bad powers and entrance of divine power on the earth. Ram Navami is a spring Hindu festival that celebrates the birthday of Lord Ram. He is particularly important to the Vaishnavism tradition of Hinduism as the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. The festival celebrates the descent of Lord Vishnu as Ram Avatar through his birth to King Dashrath and Queen Kaushalya in Ayodhya. The festival is a part of the spring Navratri and falls on the 9th day of the bright half means Shukla Paksha in the Hindu calendar month of Chaitra. This typically occurs in the Gregorian months of March or April every year. King Dashrath is described in the Hindu epic Ramayana and Vishnu Puran as the king of the Koshala kingdom and father of Hindu god Sri Ram. His capital was known as Ayodhya. King Dashrath was the son of King Aj and Queen Indumati. He had 3 wives, Kaushalya, Kaikeyi and Sumitra, and 4 sons. Names are Ram, Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughna. King Dashrath performed a yajna means fire ritual with the help of sage Rishyashrum, an expert of Atharva Ved, on the advice of sage Vasishtha. The yajna was the Putra Kameshti at the bank of Manorama river. King Dashrath and Queen Kaushalya had a daughter Shanta, who was sage Rishyashrum's wife. As the conclusion of the yajna drew near, Agni sprang out from the Yagnakunda, which means sacrificial fire pit, and handed King Dashrath a pot of kheer means payas, advising him to distribute it among his queens. All 3 queens eat payas. Thus the queens conceived after the consumption of the payas. Since Queen Kaushalya gave birth to Lord Ram, Queen Kaikeyi gave birth to Bharat, Queen Sumitra gave birth to Lakshman and Shatrughna. The day is marked by Ram Katha recitals or reading of Lord Ram's stories. Ramayana and Mahabharata are considered history by Indian traditions. Some Vaishnava Hindus visit a temple, others pray within their home, and some participate in a bhajan or kirtan with music as a part of puja and aarti. Some devotees mark the event by taking miniature statues of the infant Ram, washing it and clothing it, then placing it in a cradle. Charitable events and community meals are also organized. The festival is an occasion for moral reflection for many Hindus. Some mark this day by vrat means fasting. The important celebrations on this day take place at Ayodhya and Sita Samahit Sthal or Sita Madhi in Uttar Pradesh, Bhadrachalam in Telangana, Kodanda Ram, Vottimitta in Andhra Pradesh and Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Ratha Yatras, the chariot processions, also known as Shobha Yatras of Lord Ram, Devi Sita, his brother Lakshman and Lord Hanuman, are taken out at several places. In Ayodhya, many take a dip in the sacred river Sharayu to get relief from all negative forces in life and purify their mind, body, and soul, and then visit the Lord Ram temple. On the auspicious day of Ram Navami, Lord Ram temples are well decorated with flowers and lights. Devotees observe fasting and offer special prayers to Lord Ram on this auspicious occasion. While the festival is named after Lord Ram, the festival typically includes reverence for Devi Sita, Lakshman and Lord Hanuman, given their importance in Lord Rama's story. Lord Surya, the Hindu sun god, is a part of the worship and ceremonies in some communities. Some Vaishnav communities observe all 9 days of Chaitra Navratri, remembering Lord Ram and reading the Ramayana, with some temples organizing special discussion sessions in the evening. Charitable events to help those in need and community meals are organized by temples and Vaishnav organizations. And for many Hindus, it is an occasion for moral reflection. There are several Lord Ram mantras. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram is the mantra of Lord Hanuman, the great devotee of Lord Ram. It is known as the Ram Raksha Maha Mantra. Raksha means protection and Maha means great. So, this is a great mantra that ensures Sri Rama's protection for the devotee. Benefits of chanting Sri Ram Mantra. Chanting Sri Ram Mantra continuously can enhance the self-esteem, mental peace and willpower. It helps to overcome all fears and troubles in life. It gives protection from all harmful energies. It relieves the individuals of all diseases and illness and promotes overall good health and happiness. It leads to harmony and peace. It promotes cooperation among family, friends and other people in life. It helps overcome debates and attain financial stability in life. Happy Ram Navami! May Lord Ram bless all of us with abundance, prosperity, good health and happiness.